Hey, Drac and Spermicelli here. We're gonna try our hand at smelting. We got some copper we wanna smelt and pour into ingots. Our ingots are gonna be round like pancakes. That's our crucible. And here's our forge. Okay, so what we've done is we've dug a hole in the ground. There's a pipe down in there coming up over here to our bellows, and we're gonna put fuel under that grating and try and fire it up. So I'm gonna lift the grating and you're gonna put the wood in. Ready? I can't fucking see a shit. All right, pour the wood in there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, it worked pretty well. All right, we're gonna put some accelerant to get it started. That should be good. You don't need a whole lot of that.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
We're storing our accelerant way the hell over here. Got a hose over here, test it. All right, stand back.
Standing back.
Ah! We are firing up our forge for the first time. We have Zami. Over here we have packed our crucible with copper wire, and right there we've got the mold we're going to use, which is a cast iron pan. I'll put it right here so the pan won't be cold when we pour the copper. Okay, I'm going to turn on the bellows and see what it does. Oh yeah, look at that. That bellows is working, man. Holy crap. So I am going to put the crucible into the forge right there. Give that a few minutes in there and see what happens. From this side you can see the crucible in there. That's definitely getting hot. We're still at it. The boys are here now. Oh man, a lizard fell into the condenser. So let me show you what we got over here. As you can tell so far, we've been building this thing entirely out of junk. We have now 5 countertops where we had 1. That sink wasn't rated for 2,000 degrees. We started using a thicker junk wood that we had. We're adapting as we go. This is our first attempt at building a forge, and we built it out of junk. And at this point, we can't really pull our grating out to add more fuel, so we're gonna call it. The copper looks like it compacted a little bit, so we're gonna dig it out and see what happened at the bottom of that crucible. But I don't think we're gonna see much. We had to get to like 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and we didn't make our mark. And we'll try again. We'll come up with a better design using the junk that we have. See you guys next time. Hehehehe